What's up there, people? Huntspoke Riders here. Ain't nothing too spectacular going on right now today. Just about to hit this with some purple power and a few different style of brushes and red Scotch-Brite, and then rinse it all off with the power washer, getting this ready to be painted. So I'm not really going to film this because the water is going to be slinging everywhere, but I figured I'd give you a little before the purple power and scrubbing, give you a little before shot of it. Okay, here it is after a quick little degrease and power wash. And the reason why you want to really do that, because you sling a lot of grease and tire shine and everything else up on the wheel wells. So you want to get all that off of there before you start sanding. You don't want to sand that grease all into the metal. It just makes it's going to make your life a lot harder when it's time to paint. Well, I'll probably start sanding tomorrow, man. I'm not really going to sand tonight. It's getting a little late. So I'll start fresh in the morning and start sanding this down. Alright, what's up there, people? Huntspoke Riders here, and today's mission is to get this thing painted. Now, yesterday I did a little scuffing with the combination of these two things right here. Use that little Scotch-Brite pad, and then that one right there. This is what it's looking like right now. Now, you don't have to get too crazy to do this. The paint I'm going to use, it'll stick regardless. But you really want to do some kind of sanding. It don't really matter what you use. It's just you want to smooth out some of the, the rough edges. Now, beyond this, I'm going to use a red Scotch-Brite to go over the whole thing, just to get like certain little spots that I really couldn't get to, like up in there and like up in there, just certain little spots. But I'm gonna Scotch-Brite the whole thing with a red Scotch-Brite, blow all the dust off of it, and I'm gonna get to painting it. That's what's going on right now, man.